Don't try this at home, kids.
So you see here, broke my axle. It's not even spinning.
Is it supposed to pop out?
Yep. Whoops. Oh. That's what we're not trying to pull off, but it's all right. Spin that.
Not attached.
Spin it and pull. Oh, ooh. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. Can we use your shirt as a rag, Dayton?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now we just need to get that bitch off.
Cut it. I got my saws off.
Can't cut that.
Cut the boot.
No, we're not cutting the boot. No, we're just gonna pop that thing off. With Tyler's ingenuity. I don't think so.
We need to get this thing off?
Oh, no.
It's slowly coming out. The gap's getting bigger. It's just, this isn't the best tool for the job.
That breaks. And that one fails. Got all these to hopefully catch it.
Well, that last one came out easier.
Oh, there you go. Yep, it's off.
No, knocked all the nuts out. Good, bro. Well, where's all the little parts?
You don't need them.
I need to throw them away, though. Come on, man. What are you talking?
Yo, ew, bro. Is that what you wipe your ass with?
Let's get all the balls out.
Is that lube? Let me get a chaw of that.
There it goes. There it goes. Ready?
Did you get it?
That's it.
Damn, bro.
His work here is done.
Bro, that's just ugly.
That's too much work, man. Big boys, big toys. You know what I'm saying?
All right, let's get this new one in.
You need to grease this, don't you? Or no?
No, do not grease anything. Hold on, we need to make sure that we need to get this one in here first.
How to replace an RZR axle the redneck way.
That's essentially what we're doing.
Is it going through?
Go ahead and feed it in first on your rotor end.
Oh, it fit, man, it fit. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Remember we ratcheted that up.
It's twisted. This isn't a tutorial on how to do it. This is just you doing it.
Wait. Do we need those? Oh, this is the whole video right there. It's a professional craftsmanship right there. Can I get a yeehaw?
What's it supposed to be torqued at?
I need to pull out the manual.
150 foot-pounds.
All right, Tyler, so,
Okay, what's the fucking torque, bro?
I need to go get the book. I'll be back.
Torque it to spec!
That's it.
Bolts, and then we gotta...
Guys, circle jerk later?
Bro.
The fuck? Respect the pouch, bro.
All right. Bro.
Pass the ratchet.
Bro, you could have said it was right there.
Dude. Well, if you're that incompetent.
Nope.
Stack. Got that good, huh, Dayton?
Faster than fast.
Dude, you really use a lot of squirts, man.
Faster than fast, I'm Lightning McQueen.
What are you doing to my truck? Bro, why is it sparking? Woo!
It's the new horn. Hold
So
the
we're
flash.
putting this in my RZR, bro.
Ooga! Hey.
Smash it.
Smash it!
Smash that like button, bro.